Hey guys, how's it going? So I'm gonna use an Aurora title to, clickbait people. But I do have some pretty good information in this video. But anyways, let's begin. So tomorrow Cam Battley is gonna be on Midas ladder. Uh I hope he has a Monster Energy drink this time, so then so many people can speculate. Oh, Coke's back on the bandwagon. Like So, let's see what kind of beverage he holds tomorrow. Maybe nothing. Maybe he'll have nothing. Maybe I'll just have a coffee or something. Like a regular white styrofoam coffee cup. I mean, he can definitely afford like a Starbucks, but that might mislead investors that thinking Starbucks might invest into Aurora. So today the market was kind of strange. I mean, it wasn't strange. It was kind of didn't really do much. I mean, it started off red in the day, then it just kind of like rallied a little bit up, and then pulled back a little bit. It wasn't very volatile there. It was kind of stable. There's an article here. S&P 500 will climb 15% in 2019. Here's what to buy now. Is that a bear trap? Oh wait, yeah, bear trap. A bull trap. Sorry, a bull trap. Is that a bull trap? So bulls can come in and lose money. I don't know. I'm actually leaning towards that Donald Trump will save the stock market and he'll get his steel war. That's why I'm investing into steel, U.S. steel, because I think he's gonna get his wish. He's gonna get his wall, and he's gonna make it a steel wall, and he's gonna use U.S. steel companies to do it, and that's why I invested into U.S. steel stocks. So today I was on trading for I can't even say his name. Trading Fraternity. Yeah, that's right. And some guy popped on, said, "Oh, Metron was plummeting." So I was like watching it, and then I was thinking that there might be something wrong with this company. But by the time I caught it, it was like around 84, 83. So I waited. So I put an order in, waited for a bounce, and I got lucky. It bounced up to 85.16, a little higher than that, and then I snagged some shares, and then it just declined from there, and now I'm up. Let's see. Hold on. I am up. Why can't I find it? Oh, right here, MDT. I'm up 76.4%. If it keeps plummeting tomorrow, I could be up a lot more. It's pretty good. $3 drop $3. I was up 70%. You can't make that buying stocks or shorting stocks. Only options can give you that. But options, you can also lose all the entire money you put in. So I can lose $1,000, or I can make way more than $1,000. Yeah. The reason why it plunged today was they did investor related presentation at JP Morgan healthcare conference, and I guess short term and long term investors were not very impressed, and the stock sold off. At least I think so. There's also another company here that was interesting. P&G plunged 22% because there was one California utility company filed for bankruptcy because of the wildfires that hit California, and they're afraid that P&G will be held liability for billions in damages that result. So that's the reason why there was a big ass sell-off. It's back to its 2002 lows. This stock even crashed when the market crashed. Wow, this stock is like past the first market crash in 2000 and 2007. I mean, if you gamble on it, you could double your money, but you know, there could be some big problems if you want to invest into this company, which kind of looks like it's on a bargain. Just be careful, because you could lose a lot of money because you don't just do your research. I mean, yeah, just do your research if you even plan to invest in this company, because it used to be $70. So you buy it at 18 bucks, it even goes back to like 36 or $37. You double your money. So that's, you know, risk versus reward scenario in a scenario. So AMD being a bitch today. I put a put on it because I was like, AMD ran way too much. I thought I would do a put. I did a put at a $21 strike price. I thought, you know, because I was reading up how if you were in the money, you wouldn't suffer so much as a loss. But, you know, I still don't get it. I still don't get the strike like in the money, out of the money. I know about time decay, but in the money, out of the money, it makes no sense for me, because I put Nvidia at a strike price of 140, and the stock was trading at 143, and I'm up 13%. So like, I don't get it. Can someone explain it to me? That would be helpful. That would be great, because I don't understand why I'm up 13% with Nvidia and I'm down 6% with AMD. I know Nvidia dropped, but still, like, Nvidia was bought out of the money. Nvidia was bought at 140 US strike price, and AMD was bought in the money at $21 strike price. I mean, the price I bought it at is not close to the price where it is now. I mean, it's about 20 cents apart or something like that, but still, like, I'm just a little confused. So if somebody was to help me, that would be great. You know, I also bought one for Nvidia. Like I said, I bought Nvidia around 144, 20 or something, 30, and now it dropped to 143. You know, it ran so much that I was just thinking that it's gonna have a plummet soon. So that's why I did a put on it. I mean, I could be wrong. It could run up to like $150. At that point, I'll just put another put on it, because we're still in a bear market, and eventually, you know, it's gonna plunge like 5%, 10% one day. Maybe after CES is over and nothing exciting happens, then the stock will plunge. But eventually, I think it will happen. I sold off my Apple short today. I sold it off. I could have sold it off at a better price, but I still sold it off at not a bad price. I bought the put option like right in the day, and I sold it off like around here, I think. Around there. Yeah, around here. So, I mean, yeah. So, I mean, I could have sold it out like down here, but, you know, I'm not a psychic and I can't read the future. But I sold it off, and because I was worried, because the market was looking, the stock market was looking so strong in the day, so I thought the rally might continue, but it didn't. Okay, up next, Shopify. Shopify, I just kind of want to bring this up, but Shopify usually has like a big decline. Like, if you look at just the history in 1 year, it's like up, down, heavily, up, down, heavily, up, down, heavily. So I'm thinking that if you do a put option at the right time, you could, you know, make a decent return on this put option, because it's climbed so much. And if ever decline big time, just do a call option. I think Shopify is an easy put and call option. I'm gonna attempt it myself, but I don't know when to do a put. I'm thinking that from just looking at it, I'm thinking that if it breaks the 200, if it hits the 200 resistance level, maybe I do a put. But it could go higher. It could go to like the 212, or even like, you know, it probably won't go back to like all-time highs of 225. But I was thinking, like, if it goes up another 5% and hits the 200, that would be a good level to do a put option on it. Or it could just drop tomorrow. But That's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking I was gonna hit like the $200 resistance level and then drop back down. So if I see a $200 on Shop, I might do a put option on it and just wait a little bit. Canopy Growth after hours up down 3 cents. This only an hour and 50 minutes into after hours. I'm making this video now because you know, I want to get things. I have things to do later, and I don't have time to be making a video. Aurora, let's hope Cam Battley can bring back some excitement to Aurora's stock, because Aurora's volume was very, very weak today. 6.7 million. Damn, this volume is just getting crappier and crappier every day. There's less excitement in Aurora stock right now, as you can tell by the volume. But maybe Cam Battley can bring back some excitement for Aurora tomorrow. Let's hope there's some exciting news for Aurora tomorrow. Acreage Holdings. Damn. I sold Acreage Holdings at a loss because I wanted to do some tax write-offs. I should have just held it and just waited. I did believe in the company for a long term, but I also wanted to do some tax write-offs. So I sold it at a loss. I sold all of my shares at a loss for a tax write-off, and now I'm missing the boat. Oh well, maybe I'll decline back and I'll have a chance to, you know, dip my feet back into the water. But you know, I'll just be patient. I have a feeling that I'm gonna get screwed, and this stock's gonna go to like new all-time highs and just blue skies. So you know, who knows? I could just put 1,000 shares in now, and just, you know, if it drops, buy more. But I'll just wait. There's like better companies for me to invest into than Acreage Holdings. But I mean, Acreage Holdings might be a good company, but at a $25 price tag, it's not very attractive. In order to double your money, you need $50. I don't think Acreage Holdings is going up to $50 off of the Canadian market. I mean, I would be very, very shocked if they did. That would be crazy, because, you know, you also have to notice too, right? The volume for Acreage Holdings is, you know, still very weak. Like, it had really high volume when it came out, and now it's just like extremely weak volume. So that is a sign for concern, weak volume. But still, I like Acreage Holdings. I'm disappointed in myself for selling it for tax loss purposes. Hopefully it comes back down, and then I can get my chance to put my feet back in this company. NBEV is acting, you know, not bad today, but it needs to do better because I need to buy it again, and I'm hoping the stock drops to like the low $4. But it's being a bitch right now and won't drop. But today was not bad. Today looks promising, because it like rallied in the day and then it just pulled back. So it's promising. And after hours not doing too good too, I believe. Hold on. Yeah, it's not doing too good after hours, so it's looking promising for me to buy back. Aurora, like I said, let's hope Cam Battley brings up this volume and bring back some excitement. Aurora's also been very, very silent lately. They have not came out with any exciting news that will bring investor excitement back. T-Guard declining. I don't even know why the stock is declining, but I'm hoping it keeps declining so I can buy more. Canopy Growth just can't seem to break out. It's stuck. It's just stuck, kind of. But hopefully, and they've been quite quiet. Ew, what the hell? Oh, like debt facility at farmhouse. I'm gonna read that later. See what Rivers did. Rivers low volume today and went up a little bit. I don't know. I think that it might pull. For Canopy River, I think it might. I think it might go back to like 3.82, maybe $4, and then it'll probably do another pullback, It's just my opinion. I could be totally wrong. It's just from the looks of it, looks on the chart. I've been attempting to read charts. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.